After a baby bird fell into a garden from her nest, she formed a surprising friendship with a dog. The dog did not harm the bird, but took care of her. The dog's owner made a new home for the bird in an indoor tree, but the owner found that the dog and the bird preferred to stay together. The owner began filming them and their activities, and then put the videos on the internet. You can see the dog and bird play hide and seek or lay together. The videos are very popular as people have already watched them thousands of times.